What's going on YouTube? Marcus R here, and we're on DefiHop.com. And DefiHop.com is a place where you can see all your related cryptocurrencies related to the DeFi sector, which stands for decentralized finance. You guys know how much I love DeFi, and DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it explains a little bit what it is. But we're talking about this cryptocurrency called MKR Maker. I actually made a video about Maker a couple weeks ago, but I do like Maker, so I'm doing another updated video because one of the subscribers made a comment about Maker. It's like, hey, what's up with the update with Maker? So let's look into Maker, and then we're going to see if it's a great opportunity. I'm definitely bullish on Maker. Anything in DeFi I'm bullish on. So just go to you go to CoinGecko as well, then click on DeFi, since we want to see what the DeFi market cap is, which is at $67.8 billion. Looks like we hit almost hit $70 billion, guys. So we're going up, man. We're getting there. It's a process, it's going to take time, but I definitely see that we will be hitting $100 billion soon and higher. But like, as you guys can see on the chart here, we are extremely high. But this is DeFi. This chart right here don't scare me because we're still young. We're still, getting started. As you can see, it's underneath 100 billion, so we're good. Okay, so don't let that scare you. So we're looking at Maker, which is ranked number 6. So we're gonna go ahead and click on MKR. It's currently trading at $2,577.69. I really like Maker. As you can see, the reason why I like Maker so far is circulating supply. Not too much out there available in the open market, right? It's only about 902,135 circulating MKRs out there in the market. So this is kind of the stuff you need to look at when you look at cryptocurrencies, right? We want the things that it's really hard to get, right? As you can see, it's reflected in the price, total value locked, right? How much money, right? Capital deposit into the platform in the form of a loan, collateral, or liquidity trading pool. And MKR got $6 billion locked, which is something I like, right? Show me the money. Where's the money at? And we get pretty much see what MKR is a little bit, what it is. So pretty much what Maker is a smart contract lending platform, right? Just like anything that we're used to already in the traditional markets, right? If we go to a bank or go to a place where we need a loan or borrow some money, that's where we go to get it, right? It's just a service product, and Makers is definitely that's what Maker is, right? But instead of humans doing it, right, we got code doing it, right? We got computers doing it. Smart contract. If you guys don't know what it is, right? Google is our best friend, so let's type it in, smart contracts. As you guys can see here, a smart contract is a computer program or a transaction protocol which is intended to automatically execute, control, or document legally relevant events and actions according to the terms of a contract or agreement, right? So there you go, what a smart contract is, right? And that's what we like, right? We want to see these smart contracts doing all the work. And if we go back here, just click on makerdao.com. Make sure you go to the correct website. You can do this on DeFi Hop as well. Just click on this little globe icon. You'll go to the same exact website as you see. Right? So MakerDAO, a better, smarter currency. And MakerDAO actually created this stable coin, which is called DAI. And it's actually ranked in DeFi as well. And which is another reason why I like Maker. Right, and DAI is ranked number 10 as far as a stable coin. So a stable coin is just a reflection of the USD dollar, right? So our dollar is worth $1. DAI will always be worth about $1. Okay, so that's all the stable coin is, and Maker is the ones behind the stable coin, and it's the only stable coin that I know of that is actually decentralized, like 100% decentralized, which is cool. So be on the lookout for DAI. I'll dive more deeper into DAI. But Maker is the creator of DAI, right? So if we go to makerdao.com, you can see it right here. The world's first unbiased currency. DAI is a stable, decentralized currency that does not discriminate. Any individual or business can realize the advantage of digital money. And just gives you more about what DAI is and what Maker tokens are, right? Decentralized governments. And we can just click on learn more. But let me just go down here. Anything else? Just learn more. Just looking at Maker a little bit. Maker governance 101. And this is for the holders, right? So if you have MKR, right? If you buy MKR, the cryptocurrency, I go back to it. If you buy this cryptocurrency, Maker DAO, all right, there we go. Got all these tabs up. You will essentially be a holder, and you can partake in, voting and the government part of this cryptocurrency, which is cool, which is another reason why you should hold. But Maker is definitely a long-term hold. As you can see, max supply is only 1 million. So how high can Maker go? Maker can get pretty high, man. What is the other cryptocurrency that's really high? The only cryptocurrency that I know that's in DeFi that's really high, as far as like $20,000 or higher, is Yearn Finance. That's the only one that's ringing a bell to me, right? Other than you got Wrap Bitcoin, right? That's just a tokenized version of Bitcoin. It's still Bitcoin, right? But other than, so that don't count, okay? So the other one that I see that's really high, you got Hubu BTC, right? I think that's just like a wrap version of Bitcoin. So we're not talking about anything related to Bitcoin, okay? So these don't count. Even got Ren, right? I was talking about Ren earlier. We're going to talk about Ren, but almost hit $1. So Yearn Finance, right? So this cryptocurrency here, right? So Yearn Finance is the only one in DeFi that I've seen that is worth, $30,000 or higher. And you can see circulating supply again, right? That magic circulating supply. And Yearn Finance is pretty much doing the same thing that Aave is doing, Maker is doing, right? YFI, which is a ticker symbol for Yearn Finance, is the governance token for Yearn Finance protocol. It can be used to vote and receive cash flows from the fees earned by the protocol. And it shows you where you can buy it. About Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance is a suite of products in decentralized finance that provides lending, aggregation, yield generation, insurance on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's pretty much in this space, like, as you can see here, right? Aave, Compound. So it's in the same field as, all these guys here, and Maker as well. So pay attention to Maker, man. So pay attention to Maker. So Maker, this is Maker on the charts here. I'm looking at the 1 day. So always look at the 1 day or 4 hours, right? You want to look at these charts, right? So if you look at these time frames, right? Minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, you're kind of like zoomed in. This is more for like day traders, right? This isn't for us, right? If you want to see it play live, right? The price move it in a quicker time frame, that's okay. But as far as like trading and looking for opportunities, this is kind of too fast for you guys. So just go to the 4 hour or 1 day. Just make things easier, just to see what's going on, okay? So I got my trend line, right? Just delete this so you guys can see on the charts here. And let's just draw this out, right? Simple trend lines. Make this simple, right? You got a trend line there, right? Why? Because this symbolizes the low points of MKR. Will it ever get down to this point again? I doubt it, but hey, who knows? Right? So that's the first trend line. Then we're gonna make another one. Just clone it. Then we got another trend line, right? We can move this up and down. We got one right here. Why? Because this symbolizes that we have some type of resistance, right? Meaning that the price had a hard time breaking this point, right? So we put a trend line there. And as you guys can see, earlier this year, it really broke out from $582 to as highs of $3,000, okay? So you guys got to really look at this stuff, right? This is DeFi. This is why I like this stuff. And sometimes you just have to be patient. And as you can see, if you're just patient enough, within a month, you would have got, almost a 400% return just by holding your crypto, right? And the market right now is really good, right? So the market, we are in like just bull market. So everything is going up, right? As you can see here, this is bullish, right? Right? We pretty much got 3 things happening in the market, right? A bear market is pretty much when something goes down, right? This is considered bearish, right? Something's going down. This is in a right what they call is moving sideways, right? It's going up and down. It's not really going up like this, or it's not really going down, right? It's just pretty much in this channel like a ping pong ball going up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we have something where you call bullish, right? Bullish momentum, things is going up. So MKR is definitely bullish, and I can even draw this out for another trend lines, because I know you guys are still learning this stuff, so I'm not trying to overcomplicate it, but it's just simple trend lines, right? See me draw it out. And this will give me simple data. Now I can see that we entered, right, this channel here, right? Look at this channel, right? And it broke this channel. Now it will either touch this and continue to go up, or it might come down, right? And then probably just keep going up in this channel and just keep going up, right? And that's what we want. Hopefully Maker continue to do that. So we're going to keep watching Maker. Before I wrap up this video, because this video is getting kind of long, I actually want to add Maker to my DeFi coin. So go to DeFiHop.com and then go to Portfolio Analytics. It's free. I recommend you guys, everyone do this. Really, everyone should be doing this. And then you guys can create your portfolio, right? Create a portfolio. And as you guys can see mine, this is what I have right now, Ren, Uni, Ave, Link. And Ren is not doing too good, so we're going to have to help Ren out a little bit. So we're going to look at some crypto. I was going to do it, but this video is already too long. So I do on the next video, we're going to add to this either MKR, Bitcoin, Ethereum, DAI. So we got some good ones I'm looking at. But as you guys can see, I'm down. This is live, and this is good data, right? This is good data I want to know, and I'm just holding, right? I'm not letting it scare me. This is just digital digits on here, just trying to scare you and sell your bags. But since we know what we're doing, we're savvy investors, we're not going to let this influence us. We can just simply look at charts and make our decisions like that. Mark Czar, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, comment. I'm going to go to the next video so we can definitely get some of these DeFi coins.